is a shared activity between two learning subjects, art and technological studies. The idea here is to develop Viking ship.
Era uma vez um cavaleiro, estava a cavalo obviamente, pelo deserto ele cavalgava noites e dias escaldantes e gelados, até que um dia
The things I like the most here in Sesi are the after-school workshops. In these clubs, the students have the opportunity to share their knowledge, like artistic knowledge and other types of knowledge.
So here in the school we can have different types of classes. You can take, for example, the student to the art, you can take the students to the lab, and they are always learning in these different activities. We show the students what they have to do and we encourage them to find their way to do it. We teach them how to get what they want.
During the classes we use Microsoft tools and the Office 365 pack so students can help each other using online versions of Excel, PowerPoint, Sway, Forms or Microsoft Teams on their activities and the use of technology as well.
Nossos sonhos são maiores do que nós. Nossa história se revela em cada voz. Isso é só o começo. Pensamento decora.